Are you just guessing what fertilizer to buy at the garden center? You might just be throwing money away, or worse yet, adding nutrients your soil already has too much of. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever actually tested your soil, or are you kind of just playing a guessing game? So here's a quick tip. If you are using a raised bed and you have just gone out and you've gotten your garden soil and you know it's good quality stuff, you don't need to do a soil test on it. This would be for people that have had raised beds for a long time and maybe some of the nutrients have been depleted, or if you're planting in the ground and you don't really know what your conditions are. So if you are planting in the ground or revitalizing an old bed, you may need that checkup. And that's what a soil test is, a chemical checkup for your dirt. If you didn't already know this, state universities have extension offices that can help you with agriculture or even home gardening. And you can get a soil test there. Sometimes they'll run some stuff for free, or a good garden quality soil test, often, around 20 bucks at a lot of extension offices. It completely stops your guesswork, so you know exactly what your garden needs and you can get it. So when you get that report, one of the first things you should look at is the pH, because that really affects what's going on in your garden. This next video here explains what soil pH is and how you can balance it so that your plants are actually able to absorb their food.